questions right here at home. This is a really great question because a lot of the recipes that we've shared with you use simple syrup. So the question is there a skinny simple syrup out there? And the answer is yes. I'm going to show you how to do it today. Now, keeping it nice and fresh, I always like to use the most natural ingredients out there. So I'm going to use a sugar substitute that comes from the sweetest part of the stevia plant. Now, how do I make the skinny simple syrup? It's easy. I take a half a cup of boiling water and I add 3.5 tablespoons of sugar substitute to the water until it's completely blended, and that's it. I turn it off. Now you have a skinny, simple syrup that you can use in all of your drinks and recipe ideas. Enjoy.